Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. So this week I'm going to show you how I created this backdrop for a party that we had. So for this backdrop we're going to create 3 sizes of fans, a small, medium, and large. So here's the first one. This is a small fan. So first off you want to take a 8x10 cardstock sheet and you're going to evenly fold it into 3 parts and cut it into 3 parts. Next, you're going to use a ruler. I didn't have one. I used my tape measure to mark 1 inch on the cardstock paper. And then you're going to fold the sheet like a fan with that 1 inch marker. Then you're going to repeat that step for the other 2 sheets as well so that you have 3 fans made. Next, you're just going to use your glue gun and glue the 3 pieces together. So next, when you've glued all the pieces together in one long strip, you're going to take the ends and glue those together as well. Now to form the shape of the fan, you're going to lightly press on the ends to flatten the fan out so that it forms its shape. Next, to keep the fan glued together, you're just going to cut out a circle and glue it to both sides of the fan. On the back of the fan, I added a strip of ribbon before I added the circle and glued that on top because the ribbon is what I'm going to use later on to hang these fans. So next, for the medium fan, you're going to need 1 sheet of cream cardstock paper. You're going to fold it in half and cut it, and you're going to need 6 strips like this for the medium fan. Just like you did with the first fan, once again you're going to mark 1 inch on the paper and you're going to fold it into 1 inch folds. You're going to repeat that step with all 6 strips. So once again, you're going to take all the pieces and glue them together into one long sheet and then glue the ends together as well. Next, you're going to flatten out the fan just like you did the first time and cut out another circle big enough for this fan and glue it to the center of both the front and the back side. Once again, don't forget to glue the ribbon to the back side so we can attach it to the wall later. So finally, for your large fan, you're going to do everything the same that you did with the small and medium fan, except you're going to use 8 full-size sheets of the 8x10 cardstock paper. So at a family-owned dollar store, I found these really cute fans. I bought 3 of them in black, so they were $1 each. I thought they'd look cute in the backdrop, so I added some of these as well. So for the background part of this backdrop, I've shown how to do this in a few other videos, but I'll just quickly go over it again. I just took black streamer and I glued it to ribbon and I think I did it about 5 feet wide, I think, maybe 5.5 feet. And I used 3 rolls of black streamer from Walmart. Next, I love using this door hanger that I get from Hobby Lobby. It's in gold and black, and it's only 3 feet wide. So I cut it up into strips, maybe about 10-15 pieces, and I glue that along the backdrop as well. So the streamer and the gold tassel was uneven at the bottom, so I just used my scissors and I cut it so that it was even at the bottom. So next it was time to spray paint all my fans. The ones that I used, the cream cardstock, I spray painted it with this gold, brilliant gold spray paint that I just got from Walmart. And I also used this cardstock paper that I got from Michael's, and I made a few fans in this just to give like 2-3 different shades of gold. So for this backdrop, here are all the fans that I made. The 2 gold in the back are the ones that I spray painted, and the 2 gold in the front is the cardstock paper that I got from Michael's. You can find that in the description box below. So for this backdrop, I did 6 large fans, I made 4 medium fans, 7 small fans, and then 3 of the black ones that I bought from the family-owned dollar store. So here's how the backdrop looks when it was all said and done. I didn't go ahead and show how I put it up because I just put it up with tape. I figured it was pretty easy and I didn't really need to show that. So for the black backdrop portion, all I did was tape it to the rod. We had our curtain rod. I took the curtains off and just taped that portion up. And then I taped all the fans at the top using the ribbon to the rod itself. The fans that are on the sides, I taped those to the wall, and the fans that are more in the center of the backdrop, I taped those to the fans directly above them. So I love how this backdrop turned out. Let me know what you guys think, and if you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe so you see all my latest tutorials, and I will see you guys next week, God willing. Bye!